To get started, first, press on the extension. You have 4 functions available in this extension. We will use extract listings. As you can see, we extracted the data in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. As you can see, the more we scroll down, the more we extract. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-scroll for you. Once you're satisfied with the amount you extracted, press stop. Now, press Add to Export List. Now, to export this, press on the extension. Then, press Export. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as HTML. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted. Let's try one more function. Let's say we want to get the details of this item, so let's press on it. Then go to the extension. Extract listing details is now available. Let's press on that. Now, to export this, again, press Add to Export List. Then press on the extension again. Then press Export. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted about the item.